Welcome to How to Procure. In this series, we'll be exploring the UK Procurement Act 2023, the biggest reform in public procurement law in a generation. This act replaces the complex set of EU-derived procurement rules and creates a single, simpler framework that applies across the United Kingdom. It aims to make procurement more transparent, more competitive, and more accessible for suppliers of all sizes, especially small and medium-sized businesses. Through this series, I'll guide you chapter by chapter, breaking down the Act into clear and easy-to-understand sections. Here's the structure we'll follow. Part 1. Key definitions. We'll start with the important terms used throughout the Act, such as public contracts, frameworks, and dynamic markets. Part 2. Principles and objectives. We'll look at the goals of the new regime, including transparency, value for money, and supporting wider social, economic, and environmental outcomes. Part 3. The award of public contracts. This is the most detailed section of the Act. It includes Chapter 1. Preliminary steps, covering market engagement, notices, and considering lots. Chapter 2. Competitive award, looking at procedures, selection criteria, and award criteria. Chapter 3. Exclusions and modifications, explaining when suppliers can be excluded, reserved contracts, and how contracts can be modified. Chapter 4. Dynamic markets and frameworks, exploring new flexible tools to help contracting authorities buy smarter. Part 4. Contract management. Finally, we'll cover how contracts should be managed after award, including performance monitoring, electronic invoicing, payments, and termination. By the end of this series, you'll have a clear understanding of how the Procurement Act 2023 works, how it impacts suppliers and contracting authorities, and what it means for the future of public procurement in the UK. So, if you want to stay ahead in procurement and supply chain, make sure to subscribe to Howtoprocure and follow this chapter-by-chapter journey into the UK's new procurement regime.